Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetable nachos at home. First, gather your ingredients. Choose your favorite vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and zucchini. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice your chosen vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Toss them with a drizzle of olive oil and your preferred seasonings for a flavorful roast. Once your vegetables are prepped, spread them on a baking sheet and roast for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are tender and slightly caramelized. While they roast, arrange a single layer of tortilla chips on another baking sheet. After the vegetables are done, evenly distribute about 1/2 of them over the chips, then sprinkle with your favorite shredded cheese. Now, add a second layer of tortilla chips over the first. Distribute the remaining roasted vegetables evenly across this new layer. Don't be shy with the cheese. Add another generous sprinkle to ensure every chip gets some melty goodness. Place the baking sheet back into the oven and bake for 5 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Once the cheese is perfectly melted, carefully remove your delicious nachos from the oven. This is where you can get creative with fresh toppings. Add a dollop of salsa, a spoonful of guacamole, or some sliced avocado. Garnish with fresh cilantro or chopped green onions. Serve immediately and savor your homemade, flavorful vegetable nachos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.